The Lucky 1000 paper crane, except it's metal, not origami, but it's by Piececool. Piececool gives the difficulty. That's the model number. Black feathers. Yep, those 2 sheets becomes this beautiful bird. Beautiful bird. Here we go. No stand for this, but you get this little hand-bobber. Should not block the light. Look at that majestic being. The thingamabobber kind of ruins it, but that's okay. All these, I believe, for the most part, were individual feathers, at least the bigger ones. To bend each one, and obviously because of that, every model would be kind of different. Bottom side. Striations of the wings and the dust. That's a really dusties. Not anymore. Did that work? Kind of, sort of. Stick this on fish tank and it hangs sort of like that. I got some real fancy fish right here. Yeah, very ornamental. Okay, thank you, bye.